Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we're going to demonstrate here on the 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage. You guys have two different fuse boxes. The main fuse box, guys, on your truck is under the hood in the engine bay behind the car battery. And if you open that fuse box, you have a layout like that. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, overpriced or impossible to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy some replacement ones at a really good price and quick shipping as well. Check it out for your convenience. The sync fuse is located, guys, inside your cabin on your F-150. And if you guys look at the footwell on the passenger side, that kick panel right here, okay, that cover right there, if you remove it on the bottom right, you're going to see a fuse layout that looks just like this one. You can check it out just like this one. Now let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse for the sync that we need to check, okay, by the way, check those fuses, guys. Those are double fuses that you have right here that could be really hard to find replacement ones, so we'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. But luckily enough, the sync fuse is one of those fuses on the left side, and if you look next to the fuse, you have numbers. The number that we need is number 32 right here. We're talking about a 10 amp fuse right there that you will need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.